Hello, welcome to this Canon Service Support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to fix certain quality issues such as spots or lines when scanning with a Canon imageRUNNER Advance. First, turn off the printer using the side power switch and unplug it from the power source. Next, lift the document feeder to access the scanning glass. Using a soft microfiber cloth, wipe the scanning glass until all dirt, dust or smudges are removed. Make sure that you also clean the thin glass strip. If your imageRUNNER Advance is equipped with a double-sided feeder, pull the top lever to open the document feed scanning area cover. Open the inner cover and using the same microfiber cloth, gently wipe the glass strip inside the feeder. After you're done, close the inner cover and top feeder and plug the machine back in. Turn it on and run a test scan to make sure everything is working properly. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Canon Support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and determine if any parts need to be replaced. Thank you for watching and see you next time.